Let us start our today's lecture. First of all, a correction. In our chapter 17, we talked about a character, Radhama, who gave birth to a premature child. While doing chapter 17, I pronounced it as Radhana, double N-A, which is wrong, which is incorrect. The correct spellings are R-A-D-H-A, double M-A. It is double M-A, that is Radhama. Double M-A, Radhama. So please do this correction in your chapter 17. Now let us come to chapter 19. Chapter 19 is divided into 6 parts: summary, vocabulary, critical, very short answer, and comprehension passages. First of all, summary. People of Kanthapura are now without fields and houses. They live in Kashipura. The life in Kashipura is difficult. They gather in the temple and discuss religious and political matters. They talk about the Indian freedom struggle. They are very anxious for the release of their people who are still in prisons. They are anxiously waiting for their release, and then it is told that Gandhi signs a peace treaty, a peace pact with the Viceroy. Viceroy means the highest person in India appointed by the British. So Gandhi signs a peace treaty, a peace pact with the Viceroy. Due to that peace treaty, now the freedom struggle is suspended for the time being, and the people who were in prisons are being released one by one. And then we come to know that Ratna is released from the jail after 1 year, and Rangama will be released soon, and Sinu will be released after 6 months, because he is a very active freedom fighter. He does activities in the prison also, so he will be released only after 6 months more. And then Patel Range Gowda, when he is released, he goes to Kanthapura. Patel Range Gowda is a changed man. He is very lean and thin now, and first he goes to Kanthapura and then he comes to Kashipura, and he lives a peaceful life in Kashipura. Then Bhatta sells his lands in Kanthapura and comes to Kashipura along with his money. And Waterfall Venkama, it is supposed that she has gone to live with her new son-in-law. Murthy is also released, but he does not come to Kashipura. He lives with Jawaharlal Nehru. He sends a letter to his people in Kashipura. In that letter, it is written that Jawaharlal Nehru is also a great man like Gandhi. People of Kashipura are happy to have people of Kanthapura there. Even children say that they are our relations. The aunt narrates us stories of freedom struggle. So the children of Kashipura are also full of joy. They are also happy. People still believe that they are blessed with goddess Kanchama, and people believe that Gandhi will go to England, and from there he will bring Swaraj, he will bring independence of India. So the novel ends at a hopeful note. The novel ends at an optimistic note. Now, vocabulary: peace treaty or peace pact. Treaty or pact means an agreement, samjhota. Peace means in Hindi what you call shanti. So it is a shanti samjhota signed by Mahatma Gandhi with the Viceroy of India. Now critical: in this chapter there is allegory. What is allegory? Allegory is a parallel story. It is an extended comparison with some past story. For example, in this chapter, Murthy says that Nehru is like Bharat, like the brother Bharat, to Ram like Gandhi. And in this way, Gandhi is compared to Ram or Rama, Nehru is compared to Bharat or Bharta, India is compared to Sita, the British are compared to Ramana, Murthy in the earlier chapters was compared to Hanuman. So Gandhi, Ram like Gandhi will slay Ramana. It will Ramana will be slain by Ram like Gandhi, and Sita like India would be brought back. That is, independence would be brought back, and Nehru is like the brother Bharat to Gandhi. So the story of Ramayana has been given a comparison in the story of the freedom struggle. So this is allegory used in this chapter. Now let us come to very short answer. How is life in Kashipura? Life in Kashipura is difficult. Who is released first from the jail? Answer is Ratna. Who signs a peace treaty with the Viceroy? Mahatma Gandhi. What happens to the freedom fighters? They are released one by one. What does Murthy say about Nehru? About Nehru, Murthy says that Nehru is also a great man like Gandhi. Where does Ratna go? She goes to Bombay. Where does Patel Rangegada come after his release? He comes to Kanthapura first. What does Patel Rangegada find when he comes to Kanthapura? He finds that the village is deserted. Where does Patel Rangegada settle? Patel Rangegada settles in Kashipura. What is the anticipation 14 months later? There is eager anticipation of independence of India. India will get freedom. This is the anticipation. This is what people think about. Now short answer. First question is, what kind of life do the villagers get in the village Kashipura? The villagers of Kanthapura settle in Kashipura. Slowly their life comes back on track. They have painful memories of Kanthapura. They assemble in temple and discuss religious and political matters, and they cannot forget the the villagers get the news that Murthy is also released and he has joined the company of Jawaharlal Nehru along with his comrades. He is totally devoted to the desired dream of Gandhiji. What kind of experience does Ratna get in the jail? When Ratna is released from the jail, she tells about the very horrible experiences of the prisoners there. The police tortured and beat the prisoners, and they were ordered to salute the British flag. And one who does not obey the orders, he is beaten. Who is described as Bharat to the Ram, that is to Mahatma Gandhi. There is a pact between Mahatma Gandhi and the Viceroy. All the prisoners are freed. Murthy is also released, but he does not return to the village. He goes to Jawaharlal Nehru and he describes Nehru as Bharat and Mahatma Gandhi as his elder brother Ram. On what tone and note does the novel ends? The novel ends on an optimistic note. It ends on a hopeful note. People think that Gandhi will go to England and he will bring us Swaraj, he will bring independence of India and people will be happy. Now come to comprehension passages of chapter 19. Open your textbook or novel on page 153. Second paragraph, I am reading. In the afternoons, we all gather on the veranda, pressing cotton wicks, cotton की what we call रुई की बत्तियां बनाना दीपक जलाने के लिए. In the afternoons, we all gather on the veranda, pressing cotton wicks and hearing the Upanishads. It is Temple Vishwanath's son Shamu, who is at the Mysore Sanskrit College, that does us the readings. Of course, it can never be like Ramakrishnaya's. They say Rangama is to be released soon, and maybe my poor Sinu too. My poor Sinu means Achakka's son Sinu. Achakka is narrating all the incidents. And maybe my poor Sinu too, thou they have sent him to a northern jail for what with his hunger strikes and Vande Matarams, he had set fire to the hearts of all around him and they gave him another 6 months. But Ratna had only 1 year, and the other day she came to spend a month with us and she told us of the beatings and the tortures and the salute the Union Jack in the prison. That was not for long thou, for the Mahatma has made a truce with the Viceroy and the peasants will pay back the revenues. The young men will not boycott the toddy shops and everything they say will be as before. No sister, no, nothing can ever be the same again. You will say we have lost this, you will say we have lost that. Kanchama, forgive us, but there is something that has entered our hearts, an abundance like the Himavati on Gauri's night, when lights come floating down the Rampur corner, lights come floating down from Rampur and Madur and Tapur, lights lit on the betel leaves, and with flower and kumkum and song, we let them go, and they will go down the ghats to the morning of the sea, the lights on the betel leaves, and the Mahatma will gather it all. He will gather it by the sea, and he will bless us. Now question answers based on this passage. First question is, what do the villagers do in the afternoons? Villagers gather on the veranda, pressing cotton wicks and hearing the Upanishads. Who does the reading of the Upanishads? Temple Vishwanath's son Shamu does us the reading. Sinu been sent? He has been sent to the northern jail. Kanthapura is in South India and Sinu was sent in a jail in North India. Why was Sinu given another 6 months? Sinu was given another 6 months because of his hunger strikes and Vande Matarams. What did Ratna tell the villagers? She told the villagers about the beatings and torture in the prison. Now the next passage is on page 154. You know, sister, Murthy is no more with us. The other day when Ratna was here, we asked, when is Murthy to be released? And she says, why aunt? And how deferential Ratna has become. He is already freed. Freed, we exclaim. Yes, since the pact with the Viceroy, many a prisoner has been released. And when is he coming here, Ratna? I don't know, aunt, for he says, well, I will read to you his letter. And she reads the letter, and we discuss many a problem, and they all say the Mahatma is a noble person, a saint, but the English will know how to cheat him, and he will let himself be cheated. Have faith in your enemy, he says. Have faith in him and convert him, change him. But the word of man is hard to move, and once in motion it is wrong to stop till the goal is reached. And yet, what is the goal? Independence? Swaraj? Is there not Swaraj in our states? And is there not misery and corruption and cruelty there? Oh no, Ratna, it is the way of the masters that is wrong. And I have come to realize bit by bit, when I was in prison, that as long as there will be iron gates and barbed wires round the Skeffington Coffee Estate, and city cars that can roll up the Babur Mount, and gas lights and coolie cars, there will always be pariahs and poverty. Ratna, things must change. Jawaharlal Nehru will change it. You know, Jawaharlal is like a Bharat to the Mahatma, and he too is for non-violence, and he too is a Satyagrahi, but he says in Swaraj, there shall be neither the rich nor the poor, and he calls himself an equal distributionist, and I am with him and his men. We shall speak of it when you are here. The first question based on this passage, what did Ratna say about Murthy? She said that Murthy has already been released. Next, why have all the prisoners been released? They have been released according to Gandhi's peace pact or peace treaty with the Viceroy. Next, what has Murthy sent to the village? He has sent a letter. Next, what does Murthy write about Nehru and Gandhi? He writes that Nehru is Bharat and Gandhi is Ram. What literary device does the writer use when describing Nehru and Gandhi as Bharat and Rama? He uses the literary device of allegory. Now next passage on page 154. Ratna left us for Bombay the week after, but Rangama will come out of prison soon. They say Rangama is all for the Mahatma. We are all for the Mahatma. Paraiya, Rachna's wife Rachi, and Sithama and Timama are all for the Mahatma. They say there are men in Bombay and men in Punjab, and men and women in Bombay and Bengal and Punjab who are all for the Mahatma. They say the Mahatma will go to the red man's country. Red man means English people. They say the Mahatma will go to the red man's country and he will get us Swaraj. Swaraj means our own Rajya, our own government. He will bring us Swaraj, the Mahatma, and we shall all be happy, and Rama will come back from exile, and Sita will be with him, for Ravana will be slain, and Sita freed, and he will come back with Sita on his right in a chariot of the air, and brother Bharat will go to meet them with the worshipped sandal of the master on his head. And as they enter Ayodhya, Ayodhya means India, and as they enter Ayodhya, there will be a rain of flowers. Now question answers based on this passage. First is, when did Ratna leave for Bombay? Ratna left for Bombay the week after. She lived in Kashipura for 1 week after release, and then she went to Bombay. When will Rangama come out of the prison? Rangama will soon come out of the prison. Where will the Mahatma go? He will go to England. What do people hope for? They hope that the Mahatma will bring freedom to India. What literary device has the writer used in this passage? The writer has used allegory. So, chapter number 19 is completed now. That means the study of the whole novel is completed. In these chapters, that is from chapter 1 to chapter 19, I have covered the detailed summary, all the critical points, and all types of questions, very short answers, comprehension passages, questions based on comprehension passages, and then the matter for essay type questions is covered while doing chapter wise study. Now you have to prepare your essay type questions systematically. So in the next lecture we will do university exam papers, that is questions from the university exam papers of CDLU of the last 4 years, that is from December 2016 to December 2019. We will do 3 types of questions: very short answer, and comprehension passages from these question papers in the next 2 lectures. So you should be well prepared. You should come with the revision of all the 19 chapters, with the revision of the whole novel. That is all for the day. Thank you.